Mr. Slapstick, get over here! Help me figure out how to turn off this alarm. Now, let's see what that was about. Sweet proton picnic! There's a rift in the time-space continuum! Do you know what this means? It's like working with children. Right. A rift in the time-space continuum could destroy the entire universe! Any number of bizarre, strange, even peculiar anomalies could be occurring right as we speak. Honey, why is it raining men in top hats? We need to figure out what anomalies are occurring as quickly as possible. Oh, yes, well, there we are. Quickly, we must find the source of the rift and return things to normal, or we're all doomed! We'll use the equipment in my car to track down the... Well, that's lucky. Hold on, I'll be right back. Alright, who was playing with the matter destabilizer? This is not a toy. You do not play with equipment that may alter the physical properties of reality itself. Understood? Good. Right. Now, how do we fix this thing? Well, in you go!
I say, old boy, would you mind closing that door? It's been sucking people in all day.
Whatever you did, it seems to have worked.